A multifunctional top shooting styling rack. It has an unremovable main frame, 2 lower hem telescopic rods, 2 upper arm rods with articulated bent pipes, 2 forearm extension rods, 2 collar expansion rods. The hem extension rod can adjust the length. It is rotated and installed under the main frame, suitable for different lengths of clothes. The upper arm extension rod with joint elbow pipe, which can adjust the length. Without these 2 arm rods, can shoot short sleeves. Install these 2 arm rods, can take photos of different lengths of mid-sleeve. This is the forearm extension rod, installed under the elbow joint elbow, which can adjust the length. The bending joint can be used for 3-dimensional modeling. The shoulder joint elbow can bend up and down, and front and back bending. These 2 strong elbow pipes can adjust the shoulder slope. The waist bend tube can adjust the waist arc. Loosen this round nut to adjust the width when the hanger is too wide. You can remove the protective nut. Replace the collar with an extension rod. To adjust the collar width, hang it with fishing line. For invisible shooting, use a tie-down strap and tie it to a traditional hanger. It can be used as a hanger. Top shooting styling rack. The latest foam tube installation method. Insert this 25-centimeter long open. Insert the foam tube into the shoulder elbow and fix it with a rubber band at the top. Insert a metal washer. Insert it into the thread of the upper arm extension rod. Then install the extension rod. Install it under the shoulder elbow. Insert a 20-centimeter foam tube into the upper arm rod and put a gasket on the forearm rod and install it under the elbow joint elbow. Then choose a foam tube of appropriate length on the forearm telescopic rod. Fix it with a gasket and screw at the end to prevent the foam tube from slipping. Foam tube can be adjusted in length with the telescopic rod. Use a 30-centimeter open foam tube. Insert it into the sidebar of the hanger, and a shorter foam tube. Insert it into the lower hem telescopic rod, and fix it with washers and screws at the end. The foam tube can be adjusted in length along with the telescopic rod.